Back to the streets again, back to the grind I know too well. They say the hustle never changes, only the stories we tell. From 101 still haunted by the echo of that cell. Did the time walked out shining, but the past still rings like a bell. Climbed from the deep, took a breath, just to feel my soul again. The sky looked brighter than it used to, 'cause I lived where light was thin. Storms don't pass just 'cause you're trying. Roots run wild beneath your feet, but I keep walking through the shadows, searching for a little peace. I'm dealing with freedom, trying to learn what living means. Got the weight of old decisions, still pulling at my seams, but I'm reaching for clear skies, hoping fields I've never seen. I'm dealing with freedom, and freedom ain't always clean. I've seen the young ones chasing every shortcut to a crown. World moves fast, and when it hits you, it'll try to knock you down. Still I'm wondering where my next warm meal might come from tonight, hoping mama still remembers I'm a son beneath the fight. Cold wind cutting through my jacket, fingers numb but heart still warm. They took me off the block but left me standing in another storm. But I keep breathing through the pressure, keep my feet beneath the rain, 'cause dancing in the downpour still feels better than the pain. I'm dealing with freedom, trying to learn what living means. Got the weight of old decisions, still pulling at my seams, but I'm reaching for clear skies, hoping fields I've never seen. I'm dealing with freedom, and freedom ain't always clean. Some nights the shadows chase me, trying to drag me where I've been, but I ain't going backwards, I'm choosing me again. Self-worth ain't easy when the world looks past your cries, but I'm learning how to stand here with my head lifted high. Freedom, learning how to breathe again. Every star becomes a lesson, every loss becomes a win, and I'm reaching for clear skies, hoping fields I've never seen. I'm dealing with freedom, and freedom's rebuilding me.